Friends, let me ask you something. Have you ever planted cucumber seedlings that looked perfectly healthy at first, only to end up with a few weak vines and barely enough cucumbers for a salad? Meanwhile, someone down the road has cucumber plants climbing everywhere, covered in crisp green cucumbers from top to bottom. It almost seems unfair. But here's the truth. They're not using expensive fertilizers, they're not spending hours in the garden, and they're definitely not doing anything magical. They're simply doing one thing before planting that most gardeners completely overlook. And that one step can mean the difference between a struggling cucumber plant and a vine loaded with cucumbers all summer long. Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you exactly what that step is, plus a few simple tricks that can easily double your harvest. Welcome back to Senior Garden Advisor. I'm so glad you're here. Now, I have to tell you, cucumbers are one of my favorite vegetables to grow. They're fast, they're productive, and there's nothing quite like picking a fresh cucumber from your own garden on a warm summer morning. The wonderful thing is that you don't need a huge garden. A couple of plants in a raised bed, a small backyard garden, or even a large container can produce more cucumbers than most families can eat. In fact, a single healthy cucumber plant can produce dozens of cucumbers during the season. But that only happens when the plant gets off to a strong start. And that starts before the plant ever goes into the ground. Before we talk about planting, let's quickly talk about choosing the right cucumber, because not all cucumbers grow the same way. If you're growing in containers or small raised beds, look for compact varieties like Space Master or Bush Champion. These stay smaller and are easier to manage. If you want lots of slicing cucumbers for fresh eating, varieties like Marketmore 76 or Straight 8 are excellent choices. And if you enjoy making pickles, Boston Pickling remains one of the most reliable varieties available. For most gardeners, I recommend starting with healthy transplants from a garden center. They give you a head start and make the whole process easier. The most important step before planting. Now, here's where most gardeners make a mistake. They bring their cucumber seedlings home, dig a hole, and immediately plant them. Please don't do that. Instead, fill a bucket with room temperature water. Place the seedlings in the bucket, pots and all, and allow them to soak for about 15 minutes. This simple step fully hydrates the root ball before planting, and that's incredibly important because cucumbers hate transplant shock. A dry root ball planted into warm soil can set a cucumber plant back for weeks, but a fully hydrated root ball settles in quickly and starts growing almost immediately. While the plants are soaking, inspect the leaves. Remove any yellow, damaged, or weak leaves near the bottom. Those leaves won't help the plant. You want every bit of energy focused on root growth and healthy new vines. Now, let's get to the step most people skip. Before you place your cucumber plant into the hole, add 2 generous handfuls of finished compost. This is the secret. Not fancy fertilizer, not expensive products, simple compost. Compost improves soil structure, holds moisture around the roots, and slowly feeds the plant for weeks. Cucumbers are extremely heavy feeders. They grow fast and produce a tremendous amount of foliage and fruit. Without rich soil, they simply can't perform their best. Mix the compost thoroughly into the soil at the bottom of the planting hole. Then, place a thin layer of plain soil over it before setting the plant in place. This prevents direct contact between tender roots and concentrated nutrients. Proper planting depth. Now, let's talk about planting depth. Unlike tomatoes, cucumbers should not be buried deeply. Plant them at exactly the same depth they were growing in their nursery pot. The top of the root ball should sit level with the surrounding soil. Planting too deep can slow growth and create unnecessary stress. After positioning the plant, gently fill the hole and firm the soil around the roots, not too tightly, just enough to remove air pockets. Here's the biggest cucumber mistake I see every year. Gardeners allow the vines to sprawl across the ground. Now, cucumbers can grow that way, but they're much happier climbing. As soon as your plants begin growing, give them a trellis, fence, cattle panel, or even strong garden netting. When cucumber vines grow vertically, they receive more sunlight, air circulation improves, disease pressure decreases, and the cucumbers grow straighter and cleaner. In my experience, trellised cucumber plants consistently outproduce those growing on the ground. Let me tell you about another common frustration: bitter cucumbers. One week they're delicious, the next week they're unpleasantly bitter. Most people assume it's the variety. Usually it isn't. The real problem is inconsistent watering. Cucumber plants are mostly water. When the soil repeatedly dries out and then gets flooded, the plant becomes stressed, and stressed cucumber plants often produce bitter fruit. The solution is simple. Keep the soil consistently moist. Not soggy, not bone dry, just evenly moist. A layer of mulch around the base of the plants helps tremendously. Now for my favorite bonus tip. Once your cucumber plants begin flowering, feed them with a diluted liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. Fish emulsion or compost tea works beautifully. At this stage, the plant is producing flowers, vines, leaves, and fruit all at the same time. A little extra nutrition keeps production going strong. Since I started feeding my cucumbers this way, I've noticed longer harvests, healthier vines, and far more cucumbers overall. Spacing. One more thing. Give your cucumber plants enough room. I like to space them about 12 to 18 inches apart when growing vertically. Crowded plants have poor airflow, more disease problems, and lower production. A little extra space goes a long way. So let's bring it all together, friends. Hydrate your transplants before planting, add compost to every planting hole, plant at the correct depth, give your cucumbers a strong trellis, keep watering consistent, feed lightly once flowering begins, and provide enough spacing for healthy growth. None of these steps are difficult, none of them are expensive, but together they create exactly what cucumber plants need to thrive. And when you do that, you'll be rewarded with vigorous vines, healthier plants, and more cucumbers than you thought possible. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Senior Garden Advisor. We share simple gardening tips every week, designed especially for gardeners who want bigger harvests with less frustration. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when growing cucumbers? Leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed these cucumber secrets, don't miss my next video, Why Your Cucumbers Keep Dying and the Simple Fix. Click Watch Next, and let's make this your best cucumber season ever.